Hi, I'm Alice. We're in Four Freedoms Park this morning doing a visual walk around to see how the pollinator count is going and the pollinator activity is developing as the sun comes across the front of this monument area. We are in the middle of our Great Florida Pollinator Count. We are seeing lots of activity as it gets warmer. Started at 72 degrees and now we're about up to 75. Pollinators are coming. Have some active butterflies on the Pentas. We have the Swallowtail and also the Gulf Fritillary. I'm just going to take a look around and see how we're doing at each of our census sites. Hey, Stephanie, thanks for doing this. Our garden club president, the Madison Garden Club, Stephanie Ruff. The peak at one of the stations, and the swallowtail is on the red salvia. Now it's going over to the blanket flowers. The swallowtail came and is checking out all the flowers. There's some small wasps and flies here. We'll take a peek at this station where one of our volunteers is watching and counting the pollinators coming to the pentas. And the swallowtail has found the red penta, and it is active on that. Stephanie's focus is on one plant area, and that's the pentas. This is another area, and it looks like I'm following the swallowtail, but the swallowtail was also joined by a pipper butterfly, and it's on the zinnias. And we have our beach sunflowers. So this is another station, and the activity here seems to be smallish pollinators, but our beautiful swallowtail is enjoying nectaring on all of these. We've chosen well with our stations to be able to document the pollinator activity. Now that it's gotten warmer this morning and the sun's come out, the activity has really picked up on the blue salvias. We have several bees and the long-tailed skippers, butterflies, coming. Sometimes the bees knock each other off. Bee blossoms. I'd not seen that before. That was pretty interesting. Taking another peek at our last two stations. These are at the front on a busy street. We have white salvia zinnias in the front. Let's see what the activity looks like. Activity on the zinnias and on the white salvias. Lots of bees joining each other. These bees prefer the slightly tubular flowers that are found on the salvia. Good choice for your pollinator garden if you're going to be planning one for next year. We're wrapping up our Great Florida Pollinator Count. It's been quite a learning experience to see all the variety of pollinators when you really just stop and focus in on one plant for a few moments of time. This has been an opportunity to do a visual count of the pollinators that are coming to Four Freedoms Park here in Madison County. This event is sponsored by the Madison Garden Club in coordination with the Cooperative Extension in Taylor County. Thanks for watching Enjoy the pollinators in your yard. This is the height of their season and they're most active. Of course, when the sun comes out, they're even more active. I hope you got some tips and ideas of plants and placement of plants that you can use in your own garden. See you again soon.